I'm gonna start now, okay? Hey YouTube, it's Erica, and I am back with another video for you guys. Today, by the title, you guys can already tell, I'm gonna be doing a video on the Target beauty box. So I ran across this on their website when I was, ma'am, I'm trying to film a YouTube video here. Yeah, so I was on their website and I seen that they have a beauty box. And what I like about their beauty box is you can see what's in it before you buy it. You don't risk like paying for something and getting a whole bunch of stuff that you don't need, or I don't want to say you don't like because we still don't know if I'm gonna like it, but you kind of already know what you're getting at least. So this is their March box. I almost got February also just to try it out. They had a few different boxes though, but I got the March beauty box. These are only $7 and it ships for free. So you can't really go wrong. I know some of the beauty boxes are like $10 and up. I don't know about the shipping because I've never signed up, but I know for a fact they're over $7 and you don't even know what you're getting. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. You guys know I'm like all over the place with my channel as far as uploading. I'm not sure what kind of content I want to put on this channel. I still do love makeup and fashion a lot, but it's not as much of a main focus in my life as it was when I first started this channel. I do want to start making mukbang videos. Originally, I was going to do mukbang videos while high because that's the only way I can kind of eat a lot. But I am pregnant, so that can no longer happen, but I can definitely still get some mukbangs in because now I don't need help being hungry. Be on the lookout for mukbangs, probably even pregnancy updates if you guys like that kind of stuff. I like that kind of stuff, so I'm gonna post that. I'm gonna just post what, hopefully you guys didn't see that I just spit, but I'm gonna post the stuff that I like, and then people who are coming to YouTube looking for that stuff will enjoy my videos. My problem was before is that I was trying to make videos that people like, and like I was trying too hard. Like, I'm just gonna give y'all me, and then if we relate, we relate. If we don't, click off this video. Anyway, so this is what the box looks like. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It took like 2 weeks to get here. Was it 2 weeks? It might have been more. It might have been like 3. I'm not sure. Do you guys like my hair? I just dyed it pink. I was blonde for a while. I don't even know if I have a video of me being blonde. Probably not. I've definitely recorded some videos, so maybe I'll enter a clip if I have it, but I didn't upload them. And then I gave myself bangs. Yeah, I did it at home. I watched the YouTube videos, and sometimes I'm like, girl, yes, you did that. And some days I'm like, what the fuck was I thinking? It all depends on, you know, if they're cooperating. So it has a little paper, and it lists everything that's in there. So this one has 6 items for $7. Can't beat that. And it also comes with a coupon, $3 off. I'm using my front camera, so it's gonna be like in reverse. Yeah, $3 off 15 off your purchase. Blah, 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 blah. $3 off your beauty purchase of $15 or more. This is what it looks like. I like how they have these seals. Well, I'm not sure because these don't have it. I was gonna say so you can tell it's not open, but oh, it's for this caps that screw off, maybe so they don't get loose. I don't know. I am just going to go through what's in the box as well as read the little description that it's given me for each item. And then it also has like tips and tricks for a couple of the items, like as far as getting sizes for samples. These are like pretty big sizes for samples. At least I feel like I've never had a had a beauty box before. So this is what I mean. This is one of the things I'm talking about. Okay. First thing I'm going to take out is just this small one. And it is a gentle foaming cleanser for sensitive skin by the brand Bliss. And it is their Rose Gold Rescue facial cleanser. Calm, clean, infused with soothing rose flower water. I hate the way roses smell. Colloidal gold. This gentle foaming cleanser removes dirt, but I know rose water is really good for your scalp over drying, leaving skin feeling fresh, clean, and balanced. Rose gold shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. On here it says rose water extract acts as a natural astringent, gently removing excess oil and grime, while rose gold shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. And then it says no parabens or sulfates, and it's cruelty free. So that's good. Let me smell it, see if it's really rosy. Yeah. I just don't like how roses smell, but always better because that means chemicals. So it's naturally fragranced with the rose water, and that's good. And this one, so that's is the smallest sample, but since this is a facial cleanser, I'm pretty sure that this little bit is gonna go a long way. And it is the Shea Moisture Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment with marshmallow root for all hair types. So nourishing botanicals, leaving tresses tangle-free. It's an innovative blend of sugar cane and nourishing botanicals, leaving tresses tangle-free so strands are manageable and luxurious. One thing I do like about this is it says no salt. Why are you crying? It's no mineral oil, no animal testing, and three more things that I can't pronounce, which is good that it doesn't have it, because I always hear that if you can't pronounce it, it shouldn't be going in or on your bodies. I sneeze so much, I don't know. That's for, but I feel like that's gonna give it a really sweet smell. And again, look at how big this sample is. That's so much product. Ooh, that smells really nice. Just essential oils, so I guess it's not that bad. That's what they use to. The fragrances are just essential oils, beneficial. So this tells you what the main ingredients, basically what they do. Sugarcane extract is a natural alternative to multitasking silicones. Meadow foam seed oil is beneficial, including moisturizing and adding shine. And the marshmallow root detangles and reduces frizz with weightless conditioning. Fingers through dry, styled hair, or mist through damp hair prior to damaging or heat styling. So I'm not going to use any of this today just because it seems like it's pretty wet and my hair is straightened, so that'll just like make my hair go back curly. And a tip or trick for it at the bottom. And this one doesn't have like a tip or trick for it at the bottom. Ooh, at the end of this month. That means I can't use it on the next one. But I guess if I like any of these items, if I go to purchase them, I can get $3 off. So that's good. Conditioner. And I think they have these Target stickers. The next items I'm going to show are the shampoo and conditioner. And I think they have these Target stickers so that they can't like twist off. The facial cleanser had it too, but I took it off before I started. Conditioners, smooth and serene. Common definition for frizzy hair and acts of love for our planet. What? For the planet too? Blue in our name, beauty and planet. So basically, and then their motto here says, how can you make a little difference every day in your shower? There's a clue in our name, beauty and planet. So basically it looks like they provide beauty products and also make sure that they aren't damaging or harmful to the planet, which is important. Coconut oil, yes, safe for colored hair. Yes, vegan. Yes, with plant-based detanglers. Yes, fast rinse. Yes, not tested on animals. And the bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic. So no parabens, no silicones, no guilt. Okay. No dyes, no parabens, no silicones, no guilt. Okay Beauty and Planet, and I think this is actually a Target brand if I'm not mistaken. It's the You Know It. How to use You Know It. It has a lot of plant-based ingredients, so that's pretty cool. What does that mean? Light water? Or like this, I don't know. Then conditioner is after shampooing, spread through gorgeous wet locks, avoid the roots, rinse. Like not to use too much product or not to use too much water. Go easy on the tap. What does that mean? Like, so this is the shampoo. Minty, but it's like a nice smell. It's almost a little bit minty. And I'm pretty sure this, sorry if you can hear music in the back, I'm playing Animal Crossing. So I feel like, yeah. Okay, so these smell really good. And again, this whole box was only $7. Target beauty box. You might be onto something. I need to try the products first. But even if I don't like any of them, I basically got all of them for less than $1. So it is a rich blend of golden argan oil and French lavender. So the shampoo is a rich blend of golden argan oil and French lavender, leaving locks smelling fresh, and helps keep strands care with lukewarm water, which will help open pores for a better wash. Anyways, when you shampoo, but I guess it means not just to wet it. You do that anyways when you shampoo, but I guess it means not just to wet it and then put the shampoo on immediately. Like let the warm water kind of rinse through your hair so it opens up the pores. That one. Toner and hydrating mist. Next, I have something else by Shea Moisture. It's a soothing toner and hydrating mist. So I'm not gonna lie, when I like first browsed through the items, I thought this was I thought it said smoothing. I thought it was like a hair serum, but it's actually for your face, which is good because I don't have a toner that I'm using right now. A 2-in-1 facial toner hydrating mist with matcha green tea, known to be rich in antioxidants and good for you probiotics. Helps to soothe and restore balance to skin. Take on the day with smooth and hydrated skin. This is also cruelty free. It's green tea though, so if it smells anything like green tea, I do like that. Let me smell it. It's like a light green tea smell, but it smells really like clean. Not like medicated or like it'll be like strong on my skin. When I normally put on toner, well, that's a lie because. And this says antioxidants and matcha green tea help hydrate and soothe redness, while nourishing probiotics restore balance to the skin to fight future flare-ups. For an extra boost of hydrogen, spritz onto skin before applying your daily moisturizer. Okay. Last item I got is this, and then the last item I got is this Tresemme Intensive Mask, 0% paraben dyes. Intense nourishment for vibrant color. I want this to fade out to like a baby pink. That's what color it was supposed to be, cotton candy, but it came out brighter. So I don't know. This, like, I appreciate what it's for, but I don't want. Do I want to use this like up a little bit? I'll use it to like stop it from fading anymore. That is actually really good for sulfate-free cleansing system for color treated hair. So is it like a shampoo? I was like browsing through the items that came with it. So that's like pretty awesome that I just happened to get a color treatment, and my hair is colored right now. And I ordered this box before I even dyed my hair pink, so got lucky there. Leaving locks soft. Is botanical blend of pomegranate and camellia oil gives strands a surge of intense hydration, leaving locks soft. You guys can see for $7, 6 things. All right, so that's what everything looks like. Like I said, this is so much product for $7, 6 things. I said I paid less than $1. That's a lie. I meant a little bit over $1. Found at Target if you like them, so I can easily go and get them. It's gonna take me a while to try out all of this stuff, just because I don't like to try too many products at once, just in case I have like some sort of reaction or breakout. I want to be able to pinpoint where it's coming from, like what product. So I think I'm gonna definitely start off with the facial cleanser first, just because it's not time for me to wash or condition my hair yet. I won't do the toner just yet because Too Faced products is really risky and I don't want to do that. But I will try the leave-in treatment soon, like if I slick back my ponytail or something. So okay, Target, I'm pretty impressed with this beauty box, even though I haven't tried any of the products. They do smell really nice, and what I love about these is most of them, if not all of them, maybe just the Tresemme part to help the planet, and the Shea Moisture items. Yeah, I'm not sure about this, but all of these items are cruelty free, so they aren't being tested on animals. The Love and Beauty is all from recycled plastic, so they are doing their part to help the planet. Regardless of how I like these items, just because for $7 you can't really go wrong. If I do have a bad experience with these as well as the next one, then I'll probably stop after then. Like I'll get it. Target beauty boxes aren't for me, but for $7 you can't go wrong. New everyday products for myself. I'm really excited to try these items though, and hopefully I got some new everyday products. In the next box, I know I'm always saying that I'm gonna do giveaways and then I don't, because I disappear off the face of the earth every time I upload a video. One of these boxes, because it's really cheap, and I really want to try to do a giveaway on one of these boxes. An unboxing of an order that I got from the crayon case. I've been dying to try their makeup, and they did have a sale in the beginning of this month. That does require me to be on my feet the entire duration of my shift, and the whole website was 40% off, so I'm still waiting on those items just because there was some mix-ups, I guess, with other orders. My order was fine, but there were some mix-up with some other orders, so they want to kind of get everything sorted out. But I am patiently waiting. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Like it. Tell me why you didn't like it. I guess I'll take all feedback. To like a monthly. One thing I forgot to mention that I do like about the Target beauty box is they don't require you to subscribe to like a monthly thing the way that the other beauty boxes, like per box with free shipping on the boxes. So there's no commitment there. I think this is a good alternative to those other more expensive beauty boxes where you get this much mascara and things like that. So yeah.